Starting this vlog 3 with the most famous and one of my favorite sweet dishes of Lucknow, Makhan Malai, and it's really very delicious. Like it just dissolves in our mouth, and we just got like in our house. I was seeing YouTube, and I was able to hear some sound that some street hawkers are selling this Makhan Malai. So I just took one, and it's really very delicious, and like you should try this if you get anywhere and if you come to Lucknow. So yeah, and this is the vlog 3 of my series in Lucknow, and tell me how was the vlog 1 and vlog 2 also in the comments, and yeah, I will meet you somewhere else when I think I should record that. I recorded this, so bye. So guys, it's night time, and we just came for a night walk, and it is the dog who comes to our house every day for food, and we feed him every day also. So these are some breads we are going to feed him today, and his name is LD. Will not tell you the meaning of LD, but its name is LD. Eat. Welcome to the day 2 of this vlog, and I was just having my lunch, and then we saw that some people have came from the COVID-19 cell, and they told that we need to have our COVID test, but unfortunately none of us, like me, my sister, my smaller sister, and my brother didn't have any COVID test. Rest all of us had a COVID test. Also my grandmother didn't have a COVID test, and we were like just in our house, and also that we took Makhan Malai again. Every day some street hawkers come here, so we took Makhan Malai again, and I will eat that after my lunch. And I didn't record yesterday anything. I think I recorded just that I was making a dog eat his food, and also I have got my new tripod. I will show you. I have taken out. So this is my new tripod. I will use this for vlogging from now, and it is decent quality, not that good, but yeah, I will use it. So I will record somewhere else if I go out of my home. Otherwise you will see the vlog in otherwise you will see in me in day 3. But I think today evening we'll go and eat again that golgappe and chaat. So bye. So hey guys, back again. It's evening time, and we are going out again to have those golgappes and chaat, the one of the most famous street foods of Lucknow. And I'm recording with my tripod right now, and I'm a little scared that my mobile doesn't get fall, but I hope it doesn't get fall, and I'll meet you there again. So bye, and stay safe, wear mask. Guys, we have reached the shop, and my father is behind with the tokens, which has the ticket. Actually, it is a ticket, and here is the person who is making the tikki. I showed you that in the last vlog too, and that's it. I will show you and tell you how the tikki was. Like, I think in last vlog I forgot to tell you how was my experience, but yes, I will tell you. And also she is my sister. Leave my head. And it is very awkward, like
To shoot in public.
That too with a tripod, because I just saw almost
Everyone sees that we are.
yeah, everyone is seeing
We
that
are vlogging.
Yeah, somewhere telling that he's doing photography, but yeah, that's it. And
Now let's
yeah,
have
bye.
golgappas.
Yeah, so bye. Guys, our tikkis are being prepared. You can see they're putting all the stuffs which are needed, and here is meat. So they are being prepared. Just see the procedure. If you know this, then do comment down that you have, even if you have eaten it, comment down and tell me how was your experience. I will tell you my experience in the last. So this is my sister,
Hello.
and they are preparing this for other people. So guys, this was the procedure how a ticket is made, and I have got mine, as you can see.
Here I have
And
mine also.
yeah, she has got her also. So I will after I eat, I will tell you how was my experience. So bye. And it is very difficult to vlog with one hand. We are done with eating the tikkis, and I also had those golgappes. And now we are heading towards the market for some shopping, and I am with my sister, and it is like it, and there here is a lot of jam, and I am feeling a little scared vlogging here. First of all, the first thing by which I am scared is my phone holder.
It can.
Yeah,
It's
because
very loose.
my phone holder is not very strong. It is very loose. Also, I am in a fear that if my mobile gets fall, then I will be gone. So
I will be gone.
so this is all the thing, but I will overcome all this. I am a new vlogger, and
In the market.
I am a new vlogger in the market.
Now we're gonna show you the crowd in the market.
You guys just see the crowd of the market in Lucknow. Like, see the number of vehicles, see the number of visitors, and she's
There is no such thing like Corona over here.
and people are riding bikes without helmet and masks. She is also without mask.
I am having
And
mask.
this is how the market in Lucknow is looking. And today I had my first online class from Lucknow, and my phone is getting down. So this is what I needed to show you. Now I'll meet you somewhere else. Bye. Welcome again, and I thought of ending this vlog today. It's day 3, and I thought of ending the vlog, but my sister gave a plan that why should we not make a Oreo lava cake, and we are right now preparing for that. And she's not she's don't wants to come in the vlog, and you can see my kitchen, a normal kitchen with all the stuffs, and right now we are boiling the water, and so I think I will try to make a time lapse of this. So time lapse, go. In the middle of the time lapse, I was just seeing the time lapse, and it is coming very hazy. I don't know why, and I recorded it 2 times, but it is not. So I will meet you after I am done with all the I'm making, because in the background some musics are going on, and the copyright will come. So bye bye guys. Hey guys, we are done with the making of those choco lava cakes, and I will show you how it looks. So this is how it is looking, and you just grab a look on it, and it's actually very good by looking, not by tasting. So now my sister is gonna eat and tell you her experience. So let's see. Guys, she is not going to eat, so she will record and I will eat. So let me tell you my experience. So guys, you can see this is the cake, and let me just show here. So let us see if it's come like chocolava. So no chocolava. Lord. So let me just have. Oh, there is little bit. Yes. So let me taste it. It is very hot. And first you taste, guys. It is very bad, I know, but let me taste now. It's good. Actually, it's good. So guys, it is very good. So, hey guys, welcome to the vlog. And I think I am shooting after like 3-4 days, and I just today we both are ready to go to visit to Vani's house. You know her. If you have not seen the last vlog, then go and see that. And in that vlog, I have shown my cousin sister. Her name is Vani. Real name is Tuesha, but we call her Vani. So we are going to her house and we both are ready. He's even ready with the mask. And I just wanted to say that I didn't record for I think 3-4 days, and just a quick update what I did in the last 3-4 days. Uh, Again I went to eat those chaat and tikkis, and yesterday I went to a reserve forest, but it was closed so I didn't shoot. These two things which I did in the last 3-4 days, and I am recording after that. So I will meet you now when I reach her home, and we will have fun today with her, and bye. So I'll meet you there. Bye. So guys, we have reached the house of Vani and she's there. And in between we bought some pastries and some chocolate, and she's having one. Show the chocolate. Vani, say hello.
Hello.
So guys, we have reached the house and now we'll go to have some fun.
House
Vani,
tour.
house tour?
Yes.
Guys, he wants a house tour.
Yeah.
Vani, you want me to give a house tour?
Yes. This is my red color house.
This is my red color house. So you can see the wall is a red color. So she's saying this is my red color house, and you just Vani, say something.
This is my mommy bedroom.
What? Oh, this is my mommy's bedroom. So you can see how much she speaks. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun. It's been half an hour since we have reached her house, and we had so much fun. So now she wanted to show us some dance. So show Ani. Again? What is this? Let's see him. Yeah. And we were just like, we have no plan what to do. She's just coming and doing anything like now, and they both are playing and I'm vlogging. Wow. So guys, in between we bought some pastries because she liked pastry a lot. So we are having a pastry party. I am having this one, I don't know which flavor. He is having chocolate and she is having red velvet. Vani, say hello. So yeah. With eating of the pastry, and she was like dancing right now, and I removed the music because copyright. Okay, copyright. She told Alexa to play some music. Some random music came and she started dancing, and I showed that clip without volume. She is now also telling Alexa, so I will meet you somewhere else. Somewhere else? No. I will meet you sometime later. So, bye. Done our lunch also, and my Mosi made chicken today, and my father told me that he wants me to show something somewhere in this market. So I am out to see what he wanted to show me. So I will also show you to you what he wanted to show me. So let's go. This is what my father wanted to show. These are button, I think that is what it is called, and these are some national. These are the national birds. Sorry, state bird of Rajasthan, and you can see how they are looking. And these are two of them out of the cage, and these are the button. I don't know the name, like pronunciation is correct or not, but this is what there is, and she is selling bird. So guys, she's doing something. And
Hello.
what
Guys,
are you doing,
we
Vani?
are playing Mr. Bean, so you can't hear the voice.
This is my
Mr. Bean.
picture.
We have departed from Vani's house, and now we have came to Ghazal Pool Corner. This is my father's favorite, ice cream shop, and I ordered 3 in 1 for myself, my